history has proven that the complete nation and its armed forces have always stood together with all their might against any act of aggression. Alhamdulillah, we have the will, capacity and capability to protect our sovereignty and territorial integrity, and we are all well aware of the ways and means to do it. On behalf of the ranks and files of Pakistan Army, I assure the people of Pakistan that we are always ready and will never hesitate in rendering any and every sacrifice necessary for the defense of our sacred motherland. As proud soldiers of the Pakistan Army, we can neither be intimidated nor overawed by mere superiority in numbers and weapons or equipment. And we firmly anchor our reliance in the promise of Allah, which is Kam min fiyatin qalilatin ghalabat fiyatan kasiratan biiznillah. And the translation reads, how many times it happened that a smaller force vanquished a bigger force by the will of Allah.